How to send snap from camera roll as normal snap on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send your snaps from camera roll as a normal snap or a new snap on Snapchat app. Now to do so, first open up the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. Now there you can see the search icon or search lenses icon at the bottom of your screen in the middle. Tap on it and you'll be able to search for lenses. At the top of your screen you can see the search bar. Simply tap for upload. Search for upload here, type in upload and you'll get varieties of options: upload, upload photo, video uploader, upload pic. If you want to upload your gallery video, you can simply tap on upload video and upload a video from your phone. Or if you just want to upload a picture or a quick snap, simply tap on gallery upload and you'll be able to select a picture from your phone, or you'll be able to select a video. I'll just select a picture and then you can select on it, and then what you want to do is tap on the create option. You can see a little gallery flowery thing here. Just tap and you'll be able to create the snap. Now once you do this, you can see your snap has been created here. Now you can tap on edit and you can zoom in and zoom out by tapping on crop. You can zoom this in right here, and what you want to do is tap on next and you'll be able to send this as a new snap. Now if I send this right here, I'll send this to this one user here, and if I head back to my chat, now I'll open up here and now you can see that snap has been sent as a new snap but not as a chat. So this way you can send snaps from camera roll as normal snap on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.